Alright, so I bought this off of Amazon. And what I like about it is it's got, you don't get your fingers pinched. It pulls out like that, right? So if you look on the side here, you see these, you squeeze them, and then when you slide your pole on, you don't have to push these in with your fingers. What I mean is, here's the holes in the pole. I slide it on like this, and then I just grab these two right here, squeeze it, and then it just slides down on there. Bam, done. And this is the front of it here. It's got this nice thing here where you can shake the stuff out once you've scraped it all off the bottom of the pool. So yeah, highly recommend it. Works great, and I use it every single day to clean my pool. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.